Hello traders, welcome to Quantsap. My name is Diljit and today we're going to talk about candlestick patterns and candles and how they are important, how do they influence a chart, and how technically you can read the candles and you can catch reversals and momentums or the simple price action. Okay, so candlesticks identification is the easiest or the convenient way to identify if the price is going to go upside or downside. Okay, so simply let us just start and understand what are the candlestick patterns, how many types of candlestick patterns we see, either bullish or bearish, both of the style we'll understand. Okay, so if you haven't signed up Quantsap as of yet, you can sign up now. I'll put up the link in the description. You can go and sign up to Quantsap. After registering in Quantsap, you can get 20 plus free tools which will help you in your options trading journey. Okay, and if you want to know what is Quantsap, what are the tools and what are the Quantsap tools providing you, you can come here in the learn section and you can go in the video library and you can see the multiple videos. Okay, and you can identify that how Quantsap helps you, how the data points help you in the options trading. And if you want to know more about Quantsap, if you have any doubts or queries, you can come here in the support section and you can directly mail us or contact us and we'll try to help you out with your doubts and queries. Okay, so let's move on to the video and let's understand that how the candlestick patterns help you out. Okay, so firstly, we'll start with the basics. Okay, just a second. We'll start with the basics. Okay, so firstly we'll see what type of candles we see. Okay, so there is firstly we can see there is one Marubozu. Okay, so it can be red color or green color. It is identifying that significantly the price has moved a lot. Okay, so if it's a green candle, that means opening is here, closing is here. That means the price has moved this high. Or similarly, in the red candle, you will be seeing opening here and closing here. So that much the price have fallen. Okay, the next type of candlestick you will see a hammer. Okay, so generally what is happening here? Okay, so this is Marubozu. Now this is the hammer. Okay, so hammer is generally a bullish indication. Okay, so whenever there is a hammer created, what is happening here is that the price, okay, so this is the opening, let's just suppose, and this is the closing. So what has happened here, that the price has gone down, but again the buyers have pulled it up and they have taken it upside. So this hammer is indicating you sometimes that somewhere there is a bullishness or somewhere that you can see a reversal from the lowest point. Okay, now samely as there is a hammer, there is an inverted hammer. So in inverted hammer, what we'll see is basically it is the opposite of this candle. So here, let's just suppose this is the opening and this is the closing. So what happened here is that in inverted hammer, so in inverted hammer, what we are seeing is that basically the price has gone up in the after opening this particular candle, and after that it has significantly gone down. So what has happened here is that the price which was going up, the seller, there is a heavy seller tension and we are seeing the price is going down. So generally you will see this type of pattern at the resistance level. Okay, and somewhere it is identifying you that somewhere there is a bearish indication from this particular candle. This you can find at support levels. Okay, so generally you see it at these levels. Sometimes even at resistance, if you are seeing hammer and with that again let's just suppose you are seeing Marubozu of a green color, it is indicating you somewhere that the particular resistance also can be broken. So these are the particular candlestick types. Now lastly there is a doji. Okay, now in doji what happens is that basically we are seeing the wick is long but the price opening and closing is very nearby to each other. Okay, so what we are seeing here is that the price has gone up also and the price has gone down also, but the closing is here only. So what is this indicating you? That there is an indecision in the market. So somewhere, wherever you're seeing doji generally tends to give you an indication that somewhere the indecision has happened in the market. Okay, so people or the market participants are not particularly, can't identify which side the particular price can go. So it is in the center. Now, after a doji candle, let's just suppose the price has gone up or it has crossed the high of the doji. So generally from there you can see a bullishness. Similarly, if the doji is broken and it's going downwards, most of the times the price will tend to go on the downward side. So doji generally identifies the indecision, and after the indecision, wherever the price goes, generally the market is taking that kind of a view. Okay. Now next, let's just suppose these are the simple candlestick, single candlestick patterns. Now let's just go on a detail. Okay. Now let's just suppose we'll talk about two types of candlesticks. Now we are including two candles, not a single candle. Now we are including two candles. Okay. So firstly we'll see, let's just suppose we'll see bullish type of a candle. So what we're gonna see here is that bullish engulfing is there. So what we are seeing is that, let's just suppose this is a red candle we are seeing. Okay. Now the next candle after this, okay, if it's a green candle crossing the high of the red candle. Okay, just a second. Yeah. So two candle pattern. Now in two candle pattern here, what we are seeing is that basically the bearish candle which was there, now we are seeing the green candle breaking the high of the bearish candle. So what we are seeing here is that this is the bullish engulfing. Okay, so this is the bullish engulfing. What we are seeing here is that the bullish are engulfing the bearish. So if you are seeing this at a support level, okay, let's just suppose if you are seeing at a support level. Okay, so at the support level, if you are seeing bullish engulfing, generally it is indicating you that somewhere the market has taken the, or the particular instrument has taken a support, and now from this level we are tending to see a reversal. Okay, similarly, now when we talk about bullish side, bearish side, okay, so in the bearish side we will see at a resistance level. Okay, resistance level. Now at the resistance level we'll see the bearish engulfing. Okay, okay, so in bearish engulfing, what you're gonna see is that, let's just suppose there is a green candle. Okay, we are seeing a bullishness here, right? So green candle was there. Okay, the price was going up. Let's just suppose there were 2-3 green candles coming on the upper level, and now the next part, what is happening here is that there is a red candle which is engulfing, or which is crossing the low of the particular green candle earlier. Okay, just a second. Right, so what you can see here is that basically the low of the particular candle is broken, and this is indicating you that somewhere the particular bulls have ended, or their power has ended, and the bears have started to gain power. So from here, generally at the resistance level, if you're seeing this kind of a action, generally it tends to go on the downward side. So this is the indication what you can take from the bullish and bearish engulfing, and you can take an idea that how the particular price moves. Now again, let's just go for a third type of a candlestick pattern. Okay, so in that we are seeing three candles. Okay, so three candlestick patterns. Okay, so here what we are seeing is, let's just suppose here we are having a morning star and evening star. Okay, so as the name suggests, generally morning star, as you know, the day starts in the morning. So morning star, we start to begin something in the morning. So that way only morning star is indicating you that somewhere we are beginning a uptrend or an upside of the price. Okay, similarly, evening star is basically where the night starts. So we are trying to unwind something. So basically evening star is indicating you that the price now has made a high, and now from here we are seeing the downside. So let's just see how the particular candlestick pattern works. Okay, so firstly we'll talk about morning star. Just a second, sorry. Okay, so in the morning star, what you are seeing is Basically, let's just suppose that there was a red candle. Okay, so this is at a support level, we are seeing red candle. Okay, and then from the low, let's just suppose we are seeing here a green candle. Okay, with a wick, let's just suppose, and then we are seeing another green candle. Okay, just a second, sorry. Let's just suppose this is the green candle we are seeing. Okay, so what we are seeing here is that basically the price which was here, it was making a low here. Okay, now it has stopped here. Okay, so this particular candle is indicating you that it has stopped here, and now it is retracing on the upper side. So you are seeing that the high, if the high will be broken, then this will be the morning star pattern which you are seeing. Okay, so if the high, this third candle is breaking the high, so that is indicating you that there is a morning star indication here. So this pattern is indicating you that somewhere the price which made a low now is going on the higher. So generally we are seeing a reversal here. You can see there's a cup kind of a pattern we are seeing. So there's a low made, and after that we are seeing a reversal. Similarly, generally this is what you'll see at the support level. Okay, so this is the support level, or this is the bullish indication. Now again we'll talk about now evening star. Okay, so in the evening star, basically this is a bearish indication. Okay, bearish as in somewhere that the price which is made a high, now we can see the price retaining on the lower side. So what we'll see here is that basically, let's just suppose there was a green candle. Okay, so we were having a bullish momentum and the price had made a low, and from there somewhere it has created a high. Okay, so somewhere we are seeing the price going from low to high, and then after a certain point there comes, let's just suppose as we were talking about, an inverted hammer. Okay, there can be an inverted hammer, there can be a doji. Okay, or there can be marubozu, any kind of a candle, but it is indicating you that somewhere the price has stopped here. Okay, so this high which was made, the price has stopped here, and from there we'll start having a lowish or a red candle which is breaking the low of the, or the low of the green candle. Okay, just a second. Yeah, so now what we are seeing here is that basically, as we were talking about, the price was going on the upper side, and from there, just a second, sorry. Yeah, so from there we are seeing the price has stopped here, and from here we are seeing a reversal, and the low is broken. The green candle's low is broken by the red candle, third red candle, which is indicating you that the price will reverse from here. Okay, so these are the type of candlestick patterns which can help you indicate during the market times that how the particular price will react. So this can work even on the intraday, this can work even on the higher time frame. So I hope you would have gotten the concept by now. Okay, so if you have any doubts or queries, you can drop it in the comments and we'll try to help you out. Okay, now let's just go to Quantsap and let's just analyze, or we'll just check out few charts and take examples. Okay, so we'll go on the analyze and chart order trade. Okay, I would like to go for a higher time frame, because generally whenever you go for a higher time frame, generally you get good indications or a good trend reversals. Okay, so this is Nifty we are seeing here. Okay, so let's just suppose, oh sorry, just a second. Yeah, so let's just take this indication. Okay, so price went high, price made a high, and here what we are seeing, the price has stopped. Just a second. Right, so you can see here that as we were talking, there was a green candle, then there was a red candle, and the third red candle is indicating you that the price has gone below, and from here that we are going to see on a bearish side. So what is this? This is the evening star. Okay, similarly, let's just take an example of an inverted hammer. Okay, if you're getting inverted hammer, okay, so we are not seeing it here. Let's just move it a little. Okay, so let's just suppose Nifty now made a low, so we can just check out if there is any kind of a indication for the bullish side in the low points. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, so this is the Marubozu, we were talking about Marubozu pattern and a hammer. You can see the hammer is also made here very properly. The price had went down and from there it is reversing up. So after the Marubozu, we are seeing the candle that there was a red candle which was giving a retracement, but it was still pulled up. So that is indicating you that the price is generally looking for the upside. And if we talk about an evening star, again you can see the evening star here. The green, there is a green candle. It made a high, and from here that we are seeing a reversal happening. Okay, so this way basically generally you can indicate the candlestick patterns, and you can identify which side the price can go. Okay, let's just take Bank Nifty also. Okay, we'll take few examples from Bank Nifty. Okay. Yeah. So as you can see here, this is a very good indication. See, you can see here that from this point we are seeing that the low was made. Okay, this candle stopped the low, and from there we are seeing a reversal. So this is a morning star example. Okay, then generally if you want to know about inverted hammer, okay, generally inverted hammer somewhat you can see this particular point is indicating an inverted hammer. So the price went high, okay, but after that it went down. So this is a good example for an inverted hammer. Generally whenever you see the price at a inverted hammer, generally from there the price generally tends to go on a downward side. So basically we can see the price can either touch the MA and then reverse that way. So basically intraday mein or positionally, if you are initiating any kind of a trade, candlestick indications will give you a good outlook, okay, or they'll give you a good entry point. So whenever you're seeing this type of candlestick types, okay, so as we have learned here, just a second. So as you have learned here, if you're seeing this kind of a candlestick patterns, bullish or bearish, so this is indicating you that somewhere the market is going to take a reverse. So this three candlestick type, or if you're seeing bullish or bearish engulfing, so this is also indicating you the reversals. Okay. Similarly, this type of a particular simple single candlestick patterns will help you out in your particular entry and exit points in the chart, technical chart. So see how easy it was to understand the candlesticks and how easily you can identify if the price can go up or down in the given conditions. Generally, you can go with the trades following the candlestick patterns. Whenever you're making an entry, you can follow the candlestick patterns and make entries, and generally keep a tight stop loss. Okay, because generally whenever you're going for a technical analysis, do follow the data and fundamental analysis also, and try to go forward with such kind of a trades, right? So I hope you got the concept. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, do press the like button. Thank you.